In this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Apple App Store account with AppReviewBot to get enhanced functionalities. The process for this is quite simple. You need to simply go to the Store Accounts option and then click on Add Store Account. All the instructions in this particular video are present in this particular documentation as well. So if you want, you can read it at your own pace and get all the required keys that are needed to connect your app. Now, to get all these keys, you will first need to log in to appstoreconnect.apple.com with the account from which you have published your particular app. Once you log in, you will see a page like this. Once when you do, click on the app that you want to connect. Then, you need to go to Users and Access page that is currently over here. So click on Users and Access, then click on Integration. Once the integration page loads, make sure you are on the Team Keys tab. We will simply create a new key for our app, and we'll name it Demo for now. For access roles, we recommend to have at least Customer Support role. However, any role you can choose that have the access rights that are more than or at least similar to customer support. Now, I can see the keys have been generated. Click on Download, and it will download the key that we will use later on. Now, we have the key ID, so we'll copy this. Go back to our dashboard. Paste the key ID over here. Coming back, we'll get the issuer ID as well, and issuer ID. And now, we'll be uploading the P8 key that was downloaded just now. We need to simply click on Fetch Associated Apps. It will take a few seconds, and it has all the apps that were there. Now, we'll select the app that you want to track and click on Link Account. App Store account connected successfully. Now, since this is the first time, we'll fetch reviews for this app as well. So let's fetch 3 reviews. Now, if you go back to our dashboard, we can see the newly added app. If we click on Manage Reviews, you can now receive reviews in real time, track customer feedback, and reply to reviews directly from our dashboard and supported integrations. AppReviewBot, helping teams manage app reviews faster, smarter, and all in one place.